Heads up sa mga taong madaling malula dyan gaya ko. Hindi para sa atin ang susunod na activity.
Yung mga ganung bagay, ako yung #1 praning. So, papanik pa lang doon, sinasabi ko na sa kambal, hindi, walang magzi-zipline. Hindi ako sasakay.
Hindi ko rin kaya to. Ano ba to? Hindi ko na makita yung cable pababa. God, it's so... God, it's so far. Hindi ko to kaya.
Hindi talaga ako adventurous. Si Zoran dati adventurous yun, ewan ko na kung bakit. Naging nervyoso na rin yata siya.
It's time to prove na ako ang adventure seeker ng family. Ako na ang unang susubok. Ah! Okay.
Wow! Oh, wait lang ah. Huwag muna. Sit lang. Are you okay?
I think it's normal for everyone to be scared at first, you know, but once you try it, once you accept na kaya mo, it's actually gonna be a fun experience for you.
Super fun, super thrilling, pero worst experience, guys. Woo! Hello, your son is alive.
That's it!
Super fun, worth it. You'll die, joke lang. Super worth it. Yung first part lang, but after that, wow.
Face your fear! Oh my God!
Mafia again was my tester. So when he was in the end, we talked through a walkie-talkie. So I asked him, how was it? And he said, oh my gosh, it's fun. It's the best ever. So there's nothing to be afraid of. Just do it. You know, it's also, it's a new experience.
Can everybody count? I need a cheer squad! You can do it, baby girl!
2!
Dahil fearful ako, especially fear of heights, I tried ziplining so that I can face my fears naman.
Takot ako. Sabi ko, wait! Akala ko dyan, Mab, so waiting.
Ziplining in Batanes is definitely worth a try. Are you there?
Is it?
Oh my goodness! I was scared for nothing!
Good for you!
You should try it, please. Please try it.
Well, okay na kami sa inyong dalawa. We're proud of you guys.
Ako, hindi ko na hinangad dahil baka atakin ako sa puso. Medyo malayo yung hospital dito, kaya nag-relax na lang kami ni Carmina.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I should have done the Superman. Oh my gosh.